Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I've done a video. Just now really getting over the flu. The house had the flu for about 3.5 weeks and I ain't got it all out yet. But I'm going to do the Christmas haul I got and start out with little Hot Wheels. I like these little Hot Wheels, and this is the Mattel's 80 edition. These cars are pretty cool. That is in here. I'm trying to get where we can get a light on it where you can see it better. There we go. But yeah, this is a cool little pack right here. They're all in a red setup right there. That's a pretty cool set. I got, let me get these set over here where I can get to them a little bit better. There we go. I got this one here. It is a 66 Buick Riviera. I can get the light to quit shining on it like that. There we go. That's a cool little car. This one here is an Audi Quattro. That's a pretty cool little car. Got several Hot Wheels. I like my Hot Wheels. They're pretty cool. And I got this Laying Lowriders car right here. Another cool looking little ride. And we have Maserati. Everybody needs a Maserati. And then we got the cool little blue Chevette, little drag car. Thing's even got I can get the light to get out of it. Little wheelie bars on the back. That's a cool car. And then another one we got, that was his buddy Chevette's buddy. Got the blue one and the yellow one there. That's pretty cool. Then we have the 74 Brazilian Dodge Charger. I thought that was a pretty cool car right there. And I got a ton of these things right here. I need to quit collecting them, but like a kid, I can't do it. And this one right here, I got this one. I chose this one myself. It's not going to stay like this or anything. But one, I just think it looks like a Candy Crush style car. I don't like it. So I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to repaint it and then paint it the color I would like to paint it. Make it mine. Now then for the kits now. This is one of the kits I got. Now I know we all have had these kits. And we've done all kinds of stuff with them. I like the kit. Like I say, these are Christmas haul kits. And I ain't complaining. I'll take it. I'll take all of them that they get. They said that they want to give me. Another one we have, Christmas, is the 55 Chevy here. It's another one. I have one or two of these in the stash already. I'll take 2 or 3 more. I don't care. I like them. They're cool little kits. Another one we have here, we have the John Wick. I think I have one of these in my collection, but that's okay. Paint these things and do them up any different way you want. So I like the Chevelle. Now this one here, I do not have one in my kit. I just did finish up a orange one. I think it's like two videos back or whatever. I did finish it up. I like this kit. I like the other one. When I did get it, the first one I got, this A-pillar right here, the top of the car had been squished down a little bit, and the B-pillar in the back was broken, so fixed that. It turned out to be a pretty decent car, but that was one of it was like the second or third car I'd ever done since getting back into it a little over about a year and a half ago. Well, February would be 2 years. So, and then this one here is one I picked up on eBay. My son gave me an eBay card, and so I got this one. Thought it was a pretty cool little truck. I like that. I like this body style. I had a 54 and we sold it. I had a real one, 1-to-1, and I sold it. Wished I hadn't, but I did. Can't take that back. And the last one we have, this one's made by Testors. Now don't see many of these out there. I mean, it's not probably the best kit in the world, but I like this body style. I'm not too fond of the rear. Let me get it up here where you can see it, the rear spoiler. I don't like that, so I'm gonna have to find a actual spoiler for it, or find somewhere where I can print it. If I can find a 3D print to print it. But this is my stash, and just want to put that right there for a minute and get out so I don't drop it. Just wanted to show everybody what Christmas came and left me, and I think that's about it. Well, besides this, you can't really see it, but what's right here is holding this phone right here, and it has my light right here on it, so that way it can shine light down here. It's a phone holder with the light, and I needed that to attach. It's attached right over here on top of this, right over there. So, and all this right here, I'm going to redo this. I'm kind of gotten, I don't want it. I want to do something different in there. So I'm going to work on doing a different diorama and all. So, but anyway, this is the Christmas haul. Got plenty to do. Of course, put that in with the stash. I got plenty of stuff, and in case these things get where we can't afford them even more than what they already are, well, I'll have some stashed up ready to go. So I just want to thank everybody for watching, commenting, subscribing, sharing, all that we do. And I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I wish everybody a blessed and awesome 2026. And I got a few other things going here that I want to do some videos on. I do have a 3D printer, so I got a few things I've printed out over the last 2 months that I'm going to show y'all what I've printed, and tell you where some of the other builds are going to be going, because we do have a couple of builds coming up. And I think before I start them, I've got one. I got to finish the USAC build. I haven't done anything to it because they've been sick. And then I have this one here. That's JT over there. That's his 50s and 60s on Steely's build. I got to finish that. And then this is the Customs Illustrated that I did not make the timeline on, from Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. But I'm going to finish them, get them out, get them done. I got time on JT's, and I got a little time on the USAC. So I'm kind of stalled. I've been in a slump, hadn't wanted to do anything. So, but I do got a build coming up that I'm going to work on that's not these, none of these. And I'll give you guys a bench update whenever I get there. Till then, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.